Let's learn how to write numbers in scientific notation using 3000 as our example. First, let's understand what scientific notation means. Scientific notation is a way of writing numbers that makes them easier to read and work with, especially very large or very small numbers. To convert a number to scientific notation, we follow these steps. First, identify if the number is big or small. 3000 is a big number, so we'll be moving the decimal point to the left, and our exponent will be positive. Let's start with our number, 3000. First, let's show the decimal point. Now, we need to move the decimal point left until we have a number between 1 and 10. Move one place left, 300.0. Move 2 places left, 30.00. Move 3 places left, 3.000. Now we have a number between 1 and 10. Since we moved the decimal point 3 places to the left, our exponent will be positive 3. So 3000 in scientific notation is 3.0 times 10 to the third power. Let's verify this is correct. 3.0 times 10 to the third means 3.0 times 1000, which equals 3000. Perfect. Remember these key points. 1. In scientific notation, the number must be between 1 and 10 times a power of 10. 2. For big numbers, move the decimal left and use a positive exponent. 3. Count the number of places you move the decimal. That's your exponent.